safe trip. Remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Be sure to lock the doors and smoking please. Disney Station, gateway to the downtown Disney District and the Disneyland Resort Hotels. If you will be leaving us here and returning later today, please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors have opened. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you enjoy your visit to the Disneyland Resort. For those of you continuing with us, we'll begin our ride.
Good morning and welcome to the downtown Disney Monorail. The next one will be here in about 5 minutes. Prepare for
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1981, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We are about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin. This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled ride. And beneath us is the Utopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Ladies and gentlemen, Disneyland Park is open until 12 midnight. The last Monorail leaving Tomorrowland for downtown Disney, 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. In the meantime, a Monorail train is departing for every 5 minutes from the station. Back to downtown Disney. If you'd like to take the park resume later today, please make sure you have your ballot. This next ticket is free at the park of 1.5 hour prior to the vote. So make sure you have this ending when you're all. Tonight, Disneyland presents Wondrous Journeys fireworks spectacular at 9:35 p.m. Now, the Monorail trains will not be ready during the fireworks presentation. The Monorail will close from 8:30 to about 10 p.m. So please make your plans accordingly. Thank you, and have a good day.
To the right of the monorail, of one of Disney's most beloved attractions, It's a Small World. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching the Monorail Motor Station. Our final stop right here was
Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail Station.